Come sing the shape adventure song with me.
Circles in the sky so high, rolling donuts you can't deny, round like wheels on your ride. Come on, take a circle side. Squares are sturdy and so neat, tiling floors beneath your feet. Boxed up presents really sweet, four sharp corners can't be beat. Shapes are everywhere you go, look around and you will know. Triangles and diamonds too, learning shapes is fun to do. Triangles point to the sky, pyramids and pie slices why. Three sides never tell a lie, they reach up and touch the sky. Rectangles stretch tall and wide, windows by the fireside. Books and doors, they open wide. Come along and take a ride. Shapes are everywhere you go, look around and you will know. Triangles and diamonds too, learning shapes is fun to do.